2009.
9.
This is which year?
This is 2024.
Those are how many years?
Around 14 years.
Of me knowing you.
Yes.
Cheers to that. We have lived. Letitia Namlinde. I met this girl when she was actually Rashid. So many years ago.
Yeah, I met Joseph in 2009. In fact, was my teacher.
Ubushomesa nyonka bugoba ngani shomesa mukono huko Central View High School. So that was around 2009.
Akahotera kidasimani tashiyo. Nchwali nachira y'ubuyonjo. Nindi hafi.
Akashuti kawe kareka akapura.
Akanuka akapire. Kana shomesa biology. Ariko tuyamba for discussion. So our friends like that way. But I never expected him to be my husband or what. Accordingly to that way we started.
I see this young girl, by then I think she was in senior 4. I was teaching her biology. I think by then she was a class monitor and very active. So we started getting closer. Of course, I was a teacher, she was a class monitor, so we talk quite often.
So kuna majiri senior 6. Pagman communicating ahiyabira bari yasharamo yambira ngo you know what all along feeling inclined but I wanted at least to first finish your senior 6.
Ubona reba yije yagira mu muramwa ngiye bari umushomesa yakunda umwana wishomera. But of course that's what happened. Twaguma to so close to Gamba. Baka yije yaheze senior ya Mukaga. We decided that we can change this teacher-student relationship into a boyfriend and girlfriend relationship. And we have never turned back.
After my senior 6 yabaraho yagenda anyway. Akapfa n'umurumo bindi yamarayo like aya nayo nari nanteje hangu yagaruka azankana mu buryo kano shankaringwa akabura for that long period yamaze communicating they were no network.
Around 2013 we started staying together. Ukuna birindi obwiro bwe nabishikira cyabero masakunkunda gukuba kene kinabirindi kunga we yanyoreka ngo she can be there for me kandi yihireyo nanye naje tubishobora gufasha cyamana.
So nkanindeba nkujyaneje Bright in case twaturana nuko twatangiye cyo kuturana and he has been treating me good. He's such an amazing guy. Nakunda abantu. He loves my parents like nothing. Loves my brother, my friends. So sure, I have many things or many reasons why I would love this guy. And he's a nice looking guy as you see. Anyway, what I liked from you is such a nice looking guy. Oh my God.
Nice looking guy. You say that again?
Yeah, such a nice looking guy.
Cheers to that.
Cheers to that,
baby.
True.
It's been a journey, really. A good one.
A long journey and a sweet one.
Sometimes you're about to lose hope, then something happens. She was a Muslim and I was a staunch Catholic. Abarukumanya mama yangu umwe manyita mutabana wa papa. So ateka ngo mutabana wa papa yo nazo kushwera wa Hajj. It was quite a challenge. Kana wana chitahonka nkaka kwa kuruzo. gwene wanunda nyowe tube hamwe nicyo kuhinduka tinduka kibasa cyabanza cyamugumira kwiyogeraho yikiriza kuko uruhanga ko rebye ntagira ntikayemwe n'ubwikiriza. Let us take this a notch higher.
That's how we started our journey. Promised me anyway, because at first I would see that he cannot. Nkakawire wabire abana cyangwa hazaneza kutere imbaga ibintu n'kwitogota is a kind of a man who likes joking. Netebere nabanangambira kandi ndengo nikicirota. Yagambira mkadenga mama ko mana nza kumutera imbaga z'nyumva n'impungu nabi. Ushanga wumva kucira byambati. Ba evening kafunaka evening go yagambira buri muntu we no kuza gito kwa gatanu. So I was very happy in everything that he was telling me.
Baza umwana wo kubanza namureta umuka for some time. Wari umukazi yatura na nyina Zara nishiza aramukunda. Ubwo no butine icyo kubasa kumukora. Aha bukuba ubwirete bwingi kushanga ngo abakazi n'abakunda n'abanyina Zara. Kunga ukwizere kamara neza namuka mukaga. Bamukunda nawe yabukunda yaba umwana yaba umukazi. Nashana really this was the person. So I love that patience because like I said I had nothing, but she showed that she was ready to stay with me. Okay, nubona ngo bishibinge babanyakatori cyawe nabensi yibona tuganira tugira twishongera ko mu makerezi ko bundi yabira kureba uko wabirori ateka ngo umuntu atine sente nkogo abaza kubona ukuntu nyine kuko bagamba konka Rashida then now Letitia yanyoreka ngo I have potential to become someone. And indeed, God has blessed us.
If you tell me to choose again, I would say I choose him again. He's a caring guy. He's responsible for everything. And namukozi nati narahanga, so it's good to me.
Ngo naje nje kumugita mu kwa gatanu 2018 yatekateka n'ibya burijo. Mwerizo cyashikira tingumanya byarangambire. And all I can say to you, Letitia, in you I have a friend, in you I have a partner, in you I have a mother of my kids. And the only thing I promise you is that I shall never let you down.
Nchanakuwasa kugamba ari Joseph, and what I can promise you, Joseph, I will not stop loving you. I love you today, love you tomorrow, and I love you the following day. I'll keep loving you till. And thanks for loving me too. I know you do love me.
I thank you for loving me, and I thank you for being a good mother to my kids, and thank you for loving my family. And I assure you that my family loves you back, and you'll find them even more welcoming now that you are officially my wife, and that I am officially your husband. This day is the most beautiful day in my life, and I thank God that it has come to pass, but also pray that what we have achieved today defines our life after this for the rest of our lives.
So I will love you, place no one above you. It will be me and you against the world, and for your love I go risk it all, 'cause I